MacBook Air A1466. Someone trying to replace the battery, and they end up breaking the battery connectors. So look here, gone. So I will just show you quickly how to, if you got this sort of problem, how you can remove the battery connector from a donor board and then solder it back. So get the donor board, put some flux on the battery connector and start heating it, and just move it little bit. It will come out soon. I think the factory solder on these are around 300 degrees centigrade. So there you go. Smoking, we'll put it where? Here. These are the broken ones. Next thing is we will remove these connectors. Oh, they are okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, all together. There you go. Okay, I will give them a clean. Okay, all good. There you go. That may be too shiny. I will bring the light down for you so that you can see. Still a lot. Anyway, this is better. Okay, and get the new one. Not new one, actually the one we have taken out. Yep, here. Okay, I think we can use reversed user here so that we can hold it to the right place. So I put this reversed user, and now the next thing is start soldering. I'm just getting the right tip. Come on. Alright, which one is the right tip? It looks like. Okay. Next thing is some flux. Okay, and I will do first this one here. And this one. It's making a ball, but that's okay, no problem. So we will remove this. Okay, and go a little bit closer and then do one by one. I don't mind if they look a little bit, this bigger. At least they are stronger than how originally it was, so that it never break again. Okay. Oh, you can't see clearly. Okay, that's all good. So guys, it was a just quick video for you, because this sort of repair, there was nothing available on the internet, so that was pretty easy if you do this way. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.